Have you seen the to-do list of a family caregiver? When I had to jump in and take care of my mom unexpectedly, I was handling things as they came at me. I found myself in a sprint to complete a to-do list of care that never seemed to stop expanding. So late one night, I made a physical tally of what I was doing. 60 responsibilities related to her life, health, and home, and another 20 related to her finances, and an ongoing wrap-up of her parents' affairs, who she also served as a caregiver for. None of these daily, weekly, or monthly responsibilities included any of my personal work or life tasks. Naturally, those things started to suffer, which is not an uncommon occurrence for the 75% of employees that double as family caregivers. Primary Caregiver AI Toolbox was born out of my experiences, those of my mom, and others in our community, to tackle those important invisible tasks that eat away at our time, deplete our energy, and occupy our mental space. I appreciate you taking the time to learn about my story and these AI tools. I encourage you to demo the tools and share with your family, friend circle, and others in your community. If the stats are accurate, there are many around you who are suffering under the invisible labor of caregiving. And these 15 free chats could give them a much needed win in taking care of those that they love.